This is Red Zone Real Estate. Everyone seems to have a bad day. I talked to literally 100 people, 90 of them, it's a bad day. I mean, can't be a bad day for everybody. So 9 out of 10 times what I think about, the same context, every single one, in that same way, there's one that's gonna be there. The rest of the 9 are the same thought process, what I'm sharing, which is they're having a bad day, but it has nothing to do with you. That bad day could have started in the morning, it could have started last night, it could have been a hangover, it could have been the kids screaming at them first thing in the morning, could have been a bad spouse, maybe they're fighting, maybe something happened health-wise. All of these different things can happen as to why that person didn't want to talk to you. So if you remove the limiting belief that it's you or something that you did, or it couldn't be anything. Imagine waking up early in the morning with just your pajamas on, trying to just receive breakfast somewhere. The last thing you want to do is run into somebody or maybe receive a prospecting call, right? Not the time. So think about it. In your own world, if you received them, when was it that you actually received that well? Start doing it, because the consistency in that prospecting is where you're going to untap it. Now, every no leads you closer to a yes. So if they're telling you to go fly a kite, they're telling you to go do things that you couldn't even imagine, well, mister, you've had a bad day. I could tell that it's been tough. No worries, we'll try back in a couple of weeks. Diffuse it, make sure, understand that, say, hey, listen, I had a horrible day today too. Want to talk about it and make a joke of it. Make light of certain things. And if they're telling you things and you're not listening, well, maybe it's time to listen and maybe it's not the right prospect. The ones that are productive, the ones that our team sink our teeth into, help out, impact their communities and ours, and then get referrals from, are the 1 out of the 10 that we're seeking. So if you can understand every no leads you closer to a yes, and you're understanding that these people are just having bad days, it has nothing to do with you, you can do time on task over and over. It doesn't bog you down because you're not taking any emotional baggage from it. You're literally leaving it right there and you're moving on with your day, even when we have bad transactions. We're willing to lose because we have to have the abundance mindset. Same thing like you. Every no leads you closer to a yes. Doesn't matter, because you're gonna get better. What I found in my history of prospecting, talking, is I said everything wrong. I was talking about this earlier with one of my teammates. I think I did everything wrong in the beginning to lead to where I would go to actually succeed, because if it wasn't without that, I wouldn't have even known. So if you're not failing and fumbling over your words and you're not trying and then reflecting and pondering afterwards as to why that person never called you back, maybe you're not doing what you should, which is mental conditioning and understanding that you need to be better. You need to be training, you need to understand your sales technique, emotional intelligence, are they receiving it well? Now, if you're in any bit of your rookie season, you are gonna stand with one thing, and that phrase is gonna be do what you do best and delegate the rest. That means if you're a creative, stay into creative, the marketing and all of that side, have showing agents, have people on the back end help with the business. It means if you're logical, you want to really make sure that the showings are on point, have other people do it, do all the finance, the back end, the signs, all of that. And maybe you've got a vibrant personality, a zest for life. You want to be out there, have people covering the marketing and back end deals, transaction, coordination, all that stuff. So do what you do best and delegate the rest. Your chances of success will skyrocket. Your amount of commission money right out the gate will double or triple if you just stay in your lane. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and make sure that you share it out with everybody else. Trying to grow our channel, we need people like you, awesome, amazing people like you, the beautiful blessings in this world to help us grow. Allow us to be able to get more resources and grow this channel